Okay, the very first thing that we're going to be doing today is the Chapter 4 review. So we're going to be looking at the three parts of Chapter 4, and the very first thing is graphing a polynomial. So if you'll look at number 1, it is y equals negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. And we have a graph, and it looks something like this, and it goes all the way out to 6 over here. Okay, the key is we're typing this into our calculator, and we're going to look at the graph. When I type this into y1, my graph ends up looking something like this. Okay, so there's my graph. What I want to see is where does my graph cross the x-axis? So at what points is it crossing over here? And that will help tell me what to do. So it crosses at 2 and 4, I can kind of tell, and it's going a little bit above when it does that. And I'm going to connect those, and I now have my graph. Okay, so there's my curve, and it crossed at 2 and 4 and went a little bit above and came back down. So again, I'm trying to sketch it the best I can with what my calculator gives me, but also being specific about where it is crossing on the x-axis. That is what these 10 problems focus on. So you just want to type these in y1, focus on how well you can sketch it and making them cross at the correct point. So do be particular that they're crossing at the correct points if you want to get this one right. And that's it for graphing the polynomials in Chapter 4 review.